Unboxing your Tomahawk Backpack Vacuum is the first step toward faster, more efficient cleaning. Start by removing the vacuum and accessories from the box. Make sure all parts are included before beginning setup. To open the canister, lift the tabs on both sides and raise the lid. If you need to replace the HEPA bag, slide the new bag firmly onto the slot underneath the lid, then check that the shakeout bag is correctly in place. Then close the lid securely. Next, insert one end of the flexible hose into the top of the vacuum, twisting slightly if needed for a snug fit. Connect the two extension wands by pushing them together until they click into place. Then attach the open end of the flexible hose to the back of the wand to ensure a strong seal for maximum suction. Your kit includes a variety of tools, including a floor tool, dust brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. To attach any of them, loosen the end of the wand by twisting to the right, then insert the tool and twist left to tighten. Once attached, the tool should rotate freely without affecting suction. For a more comfortable fit, adjust the shoulder and waist straps. The vacuum should rest snugly against your back and sit on your hips, not your shoulders, for better balance and reduced fatigue. Next, insert the two batteries into the battery slots on either side of the vacuum. Flip the power switch and check for proper suction before you begin cleaning. To keep your vacuum performing at its best, check and replace the dust bag regularly. Never reuse disposable bags, as it reduces both suction and filtration performance. To recharge your batteries, plug the charger into a power source. Insert the battery until it clicks. The red light means charging is in progress. When it turns green, charging is complete, and you may remove the battery and unplug the charger. With your Tomahawk Backpack Vacuum fully assembled, you're ready to clean faster, easier, and more efficiently. And for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.